Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Education Minister Faval Williams says the risk-ranking approach to the reopening of schools was used to guide the decision announced yesterday that only students preparing for exit exams should attend school physically. She addressed the matter on Power 106's morning agenda earlier today. The Education Ministry has been criticized by the presidents of the Jamaica Teachers Association and the Jamaica Association of Principals of Secondary Schools about the basis on which decisions are being made in relation to schools. Jasper Gabriel and Laverne Wright say they have been left confused as the standard for the opening and closing of schools are not clear. Speaking on the morning agenda on Power 106 on Thursday, the Education Minister gave details on the decision, which came over 2 weeks after the surge in COVID-19 cases. Mrs. Williams says it included analysis of data on schools.
We've been keeping a list of schools, and at the point where we noticed that a number of schools had made it onto our caution list, and when we looked at the spread of the schools across Jamaica, other than 2 parishes, there were schools in every other parish. Plus, on a weekly basis, we were getting information from our schools. We required our schools to report to us in terms of suspected cases or actual cases. So that's information that we've been watching.
In the meantime, Mrs. Williams defended the decision to not have schools end physical classes and explained how the risk-ranking approach was used.
Jamaica itself continues to operate their businesses that are still open. We're able to go to our supermarkets. We still go to church. There are other entities that are open. If you were to take the same line of reasoning, then you would conclude, right, that Jamaica should be shut down. But that's not the case. You have to look at the information that you have.
Mrs. Williams added that random testing of students, as has been proposed by the JTA, is not being considered at this time.